Apply resource protection techniques. Apply resource protection techniques covers media management, hardware management, and software management. Media management are used to manage information classification and physical media. In ISO 27002 prevent unauthorized disclosure, modification, removal, or destruction of information stored on media. Marking is how an organization identifies sensitive information, whether electronic or hard copy. For example, a marking might read privileged and confidential. Handling is policies and procedures of an organization provide rules for the handling of information at the asset. Physical protection of the media, such as locked cabinets and secured vehicles. Logical protection of information on media, such as encryption. Organization must have procedures and requirements specifying how sensitive information must be stored and backed up. Organizations that want to retain information longer than required by law should firmly establish why such information should be kept. Organization must have procedures how to destroy sensitive information that has been previously retained, regardless of whether data is in hard copy or saved as an electronic file. Organizations use databases and inventory applications to perform inventories and track hardware assets. Software licensing. Software license is a document that provides legally binding guidelines for the use and distribution of software.